पुणी थरे हेबा दरकार जेहेतु आमे देखुछु पादे पर पादे चली आसुछंती मंच उपरको आम समस्त को प्रिय द मोस्ट सेलिब्रेटेड चीफ मिनिस्टर कार ताली बाजिबो and let's welcome Shri Naveen Patnaik, ladies and gentlemen.
His smile, his demeanor, his presence is definitely occasion more special. So we welcome you to the 6th edition of DAV United Fest. Shri Naveen Patnaik ji to kindly join us on the stage. I invite on stage President DAV CMC Dr. Poonam Suri ji. We invite on stage General Secretary Shri Ajay Suri, Vice President